Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Netflix stuck on loading screen. So there is some reasons, like maybe for them Netflix may be stuck on the loading screen. First of all, you should check your internet connection. So you should check if you are connected to Wi-Fi or not, and check if your Wi-Fi is working or not. And if not, you should check also your 4G connection, and if you have 4G or 5G connection on your SIM card. Those are the first possible problems. Also, there is another problem related to the internet. You should go to cellular and after that scroll down until you find your apps, click on show all, and after that search for Netflix, and be sure that the option of WLAN and cellular data is checked, because if it's the first one is chosen off like that, the Netflix will not work because there is no internet connection in the app. So you should be sure that it's on WLAN and cellular data. And if those solutions are not working for you, I advise you to delete the app and install it again. And to delete the app and install it again, you have to long press on the app, click on remove app, and after that click on delete app. And after that, go to the App Store and download the app again. And also you may check if there is an update for the app, so you can do the update. And hopefully like that, Netflix will start working again normally for you. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.